Y'all, I am so flustered right now. I woke up late, which I already planned to do because I've been getting up early because of the summit, but yet still going to sleep late. So I already knew I was going to wake up late today. I was okay with that. I woke up at like 1 and I was like, yeah, nah, let's see. Let's lay me down because I don't feel like I feel like I'm up, but I don't think that's real. So I lay back down, woke back up at 3 because somebody set off a damn firework and I thought it was a lightning strike. And I didn't want to get up at 3, but I was like, you know what? We need to still finish our hair because our hair is still not done. I wanted to log into the dashboard for the replays for the summit because I needed to go through all those videos again. And then because I want to go ahead and start implementing that. And then what else? Oh, yeah, I needed to record for y'all and I needed to upload today's video. So today's video just got uploaded. I'm waiting for it to like finalize in the background so I can get Ask Studio to do all this little final tweaks. And then I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and record some for y'all. I was gonna try and do like a montage, but the only thing I'm really about to do is wash some clothes, to be honest. But here's the problem. I want to work. I want to work on the agent. Like I want to get into it because the faster I can get it done, the faster I can get it set up to do the things that I need to do, which is content creation. Like I need content creation assistance and um like actually posting it, making it go live. Cause when it comes to recording, I'll record all day, but just like I don't know, like if you're a content creator, like you might understand what I'm talking about. But the problem is, it's like it's so much that I want to do that I can't pinpoint where I need to start. And I'm like, okay, let me go into Claude. Well, I need to pay for my Claude because I think I'm blocked right now until like 10 o'clock to even be able to send anything for it. But I'm like, okay, just go into ChatGPT and be like, where do we start? But even asking that question, like I feel like I can't just ask it where to start. Like I need to upload all the workbooks, all the documents, everything that came from the summit into a folder or into a project so that this way it understands what it is that we're trying to do. I've already told it and Claude that we're building out our AI agency, that we're building out our AI agents and what have you. And it's giving me like its own breakdown of what we need to do. But I'm like, I want to follow the process that Coach Seven gave. So I want to upload everything that she gave us from the 3 day summit so that it knows like, hey, I know that there's pieces that you're gonna have to fill in because we not in the boot camp, like we don't have 100% of the sauce, but we have something to start with. So I wanted to build off of what she's already given. But what I've decided is, we're not we're not working on our hair today. Actually, what I did was, I said I don't like doing a to-do list the night before. So what I did instead was make a list of the things that I want to get done for this week, and then pretty much like each day it'll just be, okay, today I'm going to work on this, today I want to work on that. I know for a fact though that for the next 30 days, like they're starting tomorrow with building out their AI agents every single day. So we're starting tomorrow with building out our AI agents every day, which is why I wanted to get that back end stuff in there. But I made a list of what I wanted to get done for this week, and then wherever the stuff fits in on the different days is where it fits in. So let me get that list real quick. All right, we've got our handy dandy iPad and our custom blinged out acrylic case made by moi if you're interested. But let me go into, oh no, is she dead? Oh, she dead, y'all. We gotta get the phone. All right, so we have our phone, and I think my phone is trying to make me get yet another phone. I don't want another phone. Like, y'all, I literally have 3 phones. I don't want another phone. But to do for this week, we got to redo our nails because we're missing 3, and this one's about to come off. I need to take that one off, and that's my own fault. Anyway, it don't even matter. We got to redo our nails this week. We got to finish our hair. We got to delete the current listings that I have for braid models because I think I've officially decided like I only want to do the knotless miracle knots. Like no boho, no added feed in braiding hair. I don't want to do any of that. If y'all want natural hair, no knot crochet braids or miracle knots, we can do that. Anything else, I'm not doing. And the reason why I made this decision was because one, the amount of time it's going to take for me to do the knotless crochet or the knotless miracle braids is drastically less than what it's going to take me to do the feed in and stuff. And if I can fit in just one more client, so instead of two, maybe I can have room for three clients. I'd rather that. But yeah. So I want to delete the current listing and create a new listing specifically for that. Um, I'm debating on what I want to do about the tooth gem and whitening listing because I don't know where the power cord is for my light. And I have a plug in here that I'm supposed to be attempting to see if it will fit or work with that plug. But now that I'm picturing it in my head, I'm almost positive that it won't. So I got to figure out what I'm doing with that listing. Then I have to submit my work history for unemployment. And last but not least, to draft, aka start the AI agent build. But you know, that's something that we're going to be working on, like I said, for the next 30 days. Like I want to put time into that, if not every day, like most days. But that's what we have so far on the list for this week. Right now, I'm about to put these clothes in a washing machine. Oh, I have clothes in a dryer that I need to get out, and that's really it. I'm not about to sit here and draw this video out because I want to work, and it's already 9:11. So I have about 10, 11, 11, 12, 21. About 3 hours, not even really 3 hours to work on my AI agent. So that's what I want to do. And I'll just see you guys next time. I know this is like the shortest video I've done so far, but every day is not going to be full of stuff, and that's just the reality of doing this series. But if you're still enjoying it up to this point, let me know in the comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, blah blah blah. I don't even think we're supposed to say that anymore. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh yeah, and happy belated 4th of July, because I'm recording this on 4th of July, but you guys aren't going to see it until tomorrow. So I hope you guys had lots of barbecue, and hopefully they don't be out here being all retarded with these fireworks. But I literally live, matter of fact, I ain't even going to tell y'all where I live. Deuces.